Another option in command create views is check views in drawing. What I mean, I can check for my details. For example, I load details and assemblies from BOM table. I want to check for all these parts and assemblies. Do you have views in my drawing or many drawings? I can open many drawings and I can check in this drawing all of these parts have views. For example, I delete from this drawing some views and I'll check. For this, I run this command. Do you want to check views in all open drawings? Yes. Run a body bias check. If I check yes, system will check it parts with body. But in our case, I don't use body. I used only parts view. I click no. If system find drawing view and for this view not found detail in this table, you can confirm for view drawing view 1 the associated model was not found in table. Rename view, I can rename this view, but I know that drawing view 1 is drawing view for my main assembly, and this assembly do not placed in this table, and I click no. After done check, I see this is detail not have check in checkbox. That's mean this detail not have drawing view in this drawing. I can inversional my checking filter table and create new sheet and start from active sheet and run command for place my new view. After that, I can delete filters and check again. After that, as you see, all details have check. That's all about this command. Thank you.